Similarly, at a mental level or at emotional level, when something is wrong or about to go wrong, we get premonition, precognition, intuition that don't do this. We have our own unique problems. Find out the worst one that you can imagine, that you managed to create it yourself, or for your family. How did you end up in that situation? When we reflect back, it gives some indication that because of this situation, because of this, and this, I created this complexity in my life. Now, imagine the positive situation where you were so successful, where you felt happy about doing something. And when you made the decision to do the rightful thing, what happened? What went through your mind that you came to that conclusion that I should do this? In both scenarios, you will see that heart had a lot to do with it. You were able to make the rightful decision because you must have referred it to your heart, you must have followed the voice of your heart. It's precisely when we override the voice of the heart that we fail and invite miseries in life. To vaccinate our mind, how to make our mind extremely discriminative, extremely sensitive, so that we can differentiate discrimination only to differentiate what is right and wrong, what can be the causal thing and what is the effect of that cause, what we are doing today or what we are going through. Is it the effect of something, or that am I causing something new in this life? So all these answers, they come through very easily when we take a pause, go inward, even for a few minutes. Answer may not be available right then and there, but it will unfold in its own way within a day or two or a week. Answers will come, 100%. And my personal experience shows that years of me dealing with, I have led as normal a life as you all have led. I have a family life, business world, I was a student, and now in a different capacity. But in all these facets, being a student, being a family man, or be yourself in a business world, everywhere you are facing unknown. The very next minute, next moment is unknown to us what will transpire next. But the best decisions are possible through all these imagination, infinite imaginations. You filter them out with your wisdom, which we have gathered from our past. And through meditation, when we reach a certain level of superconsciousness where the intuition triggers certain impulses in the heart in the form of feelings and say, yes, the biggest or the loudest voice that can come is, don't do this. Have you noticed? If you have to say, my name is so and so, but instead if you say, my name is Suresh Prabhu, if I introduce myself, then I'll have to think many times that why are you falsifying yourself as Suresh Prabhu? My heart will start beating heavier moment I speak a lie. Moment I try to make a wrong decision, my vagal nervous system will say, no. My heart will start beating faster, heavier, and entire whole system will become heavy. Per contra, when I make a right decision, I may not get such signals because it is natural thing to do the right thing. Let me make this point also very clear, how heart helps in making a rightful decision. When I am not able to see the screen properly, then I'll get a signal. Kamlesh, you are not seeing the screen properly. Then I ask somebody, is this screen something wrong with the screen? No, sir. Then I have to wonder, oh, my eyes are going bad. Or hearing. But when everything's are happening in a normal way, when I'm able to see things properly, hear properly, my heart doesn't give any signal that you are doing this correctly. Your health is good. It's only when the health is compromised that we get a signal that something is wrong. Similarly, at a mental level or at emotional level, when something is wrong or about to go wrong, we get premonition, precognition, intuition that don't do this.